Why does the government want to hurt people? By thinking that taxing trading would slow it down. That doesn't help. Efficient free markets help. Let the average person be able to trade for I say it's free.
But wait, there's more.
I trade on Robinhood all the time, and I don't see any execution risk whatsoever. I'm very sensitive on price.
And we'll all get into a hot tub and bare our feelings.
I put my orders in, I get filled right away. I don't know what you're saying.
Nothing for you.
You guys are making up problems. The Democrats, the Republicans, stay out of trading. Get out of the way. I don't know what you're even thinking. You built an efficient market, the most efficient market in the world. Get out of the way and let the regulators do their job.